On TestriteAluminum.com, we offer for sale Swedge and Spring Button aluminum tubing. So let's say you want to build a 6-foot long Swedge and Spring Button aluminum tube. You can buy these tubing sections, which are already swedged on one end with a spring button. And what I would do is I would add 2 of these together. Each tube you add adds 2 feet. Okay, so now I have 2 sections with swedge and spring button. And now I'm going to buy what I'd call an end section. So this has a hole to receive the spring button on one end, is straight cut in the other. This has no swedge to it. When I add these 3 sections together, I now have a 6-foot long tubing assembly. So this is 6 foot long, constant diameter, so it just gets a tiny bit smaller at the intersection, aluminum tube. This can be used for a wide range of uses, whether you're building a custom tent or crossbars. It's really up to you. Make sure you test for your application to make sure it's safe. This is thin wall 038-inch aluminum tubing. It is satin silver anodized. This is shown with an end cap. The straight cut tubes do not come with an end cap, but you can buy a pack of 10 end caps on our website. We do offer this in 2 diameters. This is a 1-inch diameter. We also today offer an 1.25-inch diameter. You can see 1.25-inch is quite a bit larger than a 1-inch tube. So this is 2 examples of a 6-foot aluminum swedge and spring button assembly. So to make this one, at 6 foot, you'll buy 2 swedge sections and then 1 end section. Now let's say I wanted to make this into an 8-foot tube. All I have to do is add 1 more section. So each section you add adds 24 inches to your assembly. Now if you measure this, this tube is longer than 24 inches. Why? Because with a swedge, part of the tube goes into the next tube. The exact cut length on this is listed on the website, so if you have any questions, just take a look at that. Note that the straight cut tube, again, does not include the end cap, and an end cap would add to the length of the tube. In this way, you can make an 8-foot, 10-foot, even a 50-foot aluminum tube assembly that's all swedge and spring button, and each section adds 2 feet. So it's very easy to add and subtract from your assembly. Again, it's up to you to see what's safe for your application, so always test it in a way where no one will get hurt when you're doing your testing. These are quite strong. There's a very tight tolerance between the sections when we do a swedge and spring button, and then the spring button helps to hold it there. So very little play, and especially if you orient it vertically, it's very, very strong. Now these tubes can be ordered with accessories, so you might pair it with an end cap for round tubing, a crutch tip. You could pair this with a steel base. So a lot of different accessories on TestriteAluminum.com under parts and accessories these can work with. If you want to buy these tubes standard, quantity of 1 or more, visit www.TestriteAluminum.com, and we have volume pricing. They're currently listed under the standard telescopic assemblies page. If you want custom, whether it's a custom color, custom size, or different diameter, visit www.TestriteOEM.com and click Request Fast Quotation. Quantity of 25 or more on custom assemblies. Thank you very much.